So on this last note from the creation of all of this hill shade and all that, this will be the last I'm going to be creating. So we'll be creating the aspect. So we'll double click on aspect still, and that's in place. Now all of the tools here, from aspect to contour to curvature to cut hill shade, have the same applications. All you need to do is to bring in your DEM, and then you select your output raster and you go to environment, and then your processing extent, you change it to the study extent, and you go down to raster analysis, not raster process. Then you scroll down to marks, and then you add your marks and you click on OK, and you click on OK. Now all I am trying to let you know, that's why I created them one after the other, is that you can create these things as far as you get started with one. All you need to do is to know what you want to do, how you want to apply, the name of what you want to do. You search it or you locate it. The S3 has support online where if you have any issues, you can also check that out too. So you just need to know what you want to do. Like now, I want to create an aspect. So I search for aspect, and it has the same application: input, output, the constraint, that is the extent of where you want it to create it to. That is also. These are all the applications of all these DEM. I just wanted to elaborately illustrate with all of these examples for you to see. So I will see you in the next video as we continue in this course.